Walk slowly. Don't run, because that's when they get excited and they start chasing you. Just do it.
No. Look at him. He's stalking me.
Because you run and you make it a game.
I'm not trying to run.
Oh, just walk normal. Don't run or he's gonna chase you. Just walk normal. Let him just come up to you. Thanks for cleaning out my car for me. Look it, see? He's just checking you out now that you're not being all weird and running away. Brayden, come back! Brayden, come here! I'll give you $5 if you come back to the car.
She's trying to sneak up on me.
It's a boy. Just hold still. Come on, walk by him once.
I'm not fucking. You know what they're trying to do.
Just walk by them once for me. No, Brandy. See, he's just checking you out. Don't run, just hold still.
You want him to attack me.
No, I don't. Okay, see, he likes you now.
I'm not so sure if he likes me.
See, show him you're not gonna freak out.
I will freak out.
Listen, he's like a 4-pound chicken. Come on. Brayden, don't run away. Just walk this way. Walk right past him. I'm telling you. You're fine. Just hold still. Don't run. I said not to run.